This 2025 Keystone Hideout 38DBD is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clyde, Ohio, 43410 and is offered for sale by Town & Country RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 7 and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Hideout 38DBD is 10,530 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Town & Country RV.